Hi, Karen from Shoji again. If you need to create an extra living space, a zone off for privacy for guests or for a study for your children, or if you're working from home, our Shoji screens and doors are the perfect solution. There's minimal disruption to your home. We can come in and put them in very quickly, and there's different options you can have within the opening, fixed, sliding. Bifold options are a very good solution for a little nook area so that you don't have crossing each other. So it opens right up. And you don't need any major structural beams to be able to put our products in, because they're lightweight, but they're strong, and the acrylic panels are very durable. Come and have a look for yourself, or give me a call if you'd like an estimate. We're here to help you.